Every year, scores of new business books are published and read by millions of people. But with so many titles to choose from, which ones should you prioritize? Today, we are talking about the 8 best business books of all time. These are the books that have all stood the test of time. They've made the New York Times bestsellers list and have been recommended over and over again by critics and the world's most successful business leaders. To save you the trouble of reading them yourself, here are the most fascinating lessons from each book. Number 1. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Please subscribe to our channel Rugged Capitalist, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon button for more, new, and quick notifications. Abstract, you can achieve anything you conceive and believe. Thoughts are things, and they are incredibly powerful. Focus on what you want to achieve and strengthen your resolve by having what Hill calls a definiteness of purpose. It's also essential that you persist in the face of obstacles that are bound to impede your growth along the way. Number 2. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Abstract, know the difference between an asset and a liability. There's a reason the rich get richer. They understand the vital yet often misunderstood difference between assets and liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. To get rich, you must buy assets and leverage the income generated from them to buy luxuries and fund your lifestyle. I'm already making one video about Robert Kiyosaki's success tips. Robert Kiyosaki is the owner of Rich Dad and Poor Dad. This one is a famous book about success. Moreover, about success, I'm already making one video on Robert Kiyosaki's success tips. And if you are interested in this video, I'm giving its link in the description. Number 3. The E-Myth by Michael Gerber. Abstract, work on your business rather than in your business. I understand the technical work of a business, therefore, I understand a business that does that technical work. This is a costly assumption new entrepreneurs make. Understand that everybody who goes into business has 3 identities: an entrepreneur, a manager, and a technician. You need all 3 to build a company that can thrive without you. Number 4. The 22 Immutable Laws of Marketing by Al Ries and Jack Trout. Abstract, marketing is a battle of perceptions, not products. You always want to be the first. And in today's competitive online landscape, a Me Too copycat has little chance of getting into the prospect's mind once another company has gotten there first. Not every first is going to be successful, though. If you don't get into the prospect's mind first, create a new category you can be first in, instead. It worked for Domino's and it can work for you, too. Number 5. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Abstract, remember that a person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. This book is just as important for today's digital age as it was when it was first published in 1936. There are innumerable takeaways from Carnegie's classic bestseller, but the most important one is that you can't go wrong with smiling, becoming a good listener, and of course, making others feel important. Number 6. The Hard Thing About Hard Things by Ben Horowitz. Abstract, embrace your weirdness, your background, your instinct. If the keys are not there, they do not exist. The hard thing about hard things, writes Horowitz, is that there is no formula for dealing with them, and he's absolutely right. While many business books tend to prescribe solutions to challenges that aren't challenging at all, few, if any, tell it like it is, which is that there is no one-size solution. Number 7. Blue Ocean Strategy by W. Chan Kim and Renee Mauborgne. Abstract, avoid trying to beat competitors. Instead, focus on making them irrelevant by creating a leap in value for buyers and your company. Most markets are red oceans. They're full of blood because all the sharks feed on the same small pool of fish. Over time, submarkets developed as a reaction to those red markets. In order to differentiate yourself from competitors, you must create a blue ocean for yourself, an opportunity people can't wait to dive into. Number 8. Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. Important words, don't tell people how to do things, tell them what to do and let them surprise you with their results. On Bill Gates' list of must-reads and penned by Phil Knight, the notoriously shy Nike co-founder, Shoe Dog offers a rare and revealing glimpse into a man who borrowed $50 from his father to launch a company that, today, is globally recognized and generates $50 billion annually. Number 9. Awaken the Giant Within. Get Awaken the Giant Within from Amazon. I believe I don't have to introduce Tony Robbins. He's a household name in the personal development industry. Tony started when he was 17 and he published Awaken the Giant Within in 1993. Yes, it is an old book, but a classic nonetheless. Even today, if you were to ask me what are the books that have changed my life or books that I recommend, this book almost always comes up on top. And this is how to Awaken the Giant Within found its way to this list here. I have read this book a few times, from cover to cover. And every time I reread it, I still discover insights and wisdom within. It is a thick book, but I do enjoy the tips and strategies Tony Robbins has included in this book. If you haven't read this book yet, please do so. And after going through the book, tell me how it has changed your life. Number 10. Grit, the Power of Passion and Perseverance. Get Grit from Amazon. Grit is a famous book and a bestseller written by Angela Duckworth, a popular psychologist and professor at the University of Pennsylvania. In the book, Duckworth will take you through her research for finding the key to success. And she discovered that it was grit that determines someone's success. Grit is a characteristic that combines passion and perseverance. If you are passionate about what you do and have high perseverance for the task/goal/project, you are said to be grittier. I love this book because Duckworth doesn't just tell you that you need to have passion and perseverance to achieve success, but she shows it through research and data. It is an entertaining and informative read. Today advice. Many people start controversies about you if going on your goal. But you don't give him chance for excuses. Thank you for watching and keep supporting.